Kids Drawing Camp. Today we are going to draw a train. Let's draw and color it together.
And on his farm